Wow. This one is going to be short, and this application that I'm using to record recently just allowed us to add, people's licensed songs to the podcast, but we'll see if I figure out how to do that. But one thing I want to talk about is, the last episode I just spoke about finasteride, which is a medicine that has a lot of benefits. It also has some side effects, but it's used for men's hair loss, specifically men's hair loss. But I also want to talk about here, another part of the internal workings of the body as it relates to hair loss. Now, the liver, when you have liver disease, as far as I understand, that could be, that's considered, hepatitis is a disease of the liver. And this is a statistic I got from online. 41% of men with hepatitis, liver disease, experience impotence. Okay, just hold on. Impotence, right? That's not related. Everything is related. That's why your hair care is a holistic approach. 41% of men with hepatitis liver disease experience impotence. This is attributed partially due to the reduced production of a thing called serum albumin. Serum albumin is a water-soluble protein in the blood made in the liver. So, serum albumin transports hormones, fatty acids, and regulates your blood pH, in addition to doing a lot of stuff. Also, serum albumin you can have low concentration of serum albumin due to malnutrition. If your levels are too low, if your serum albumin levels are too low, it causes hair thinning. And foods that help you boost your serum albumin levels are eggs and nuts. And one more thing that I don't encourage people to necessarily consume is dairy. But eggs, nuts, and dairy are supposed to help boost your serum albumin levels. My product is vegan, but I'm not a vegan per se. I was vegetarian for 7 years, but and then off and on a little bit for that, and for the past 4 years I've been just omnivore, and just for the past few weeks I've been back to trying to go vegan, but I'm more bordering on vegetarian. So I still eat eggs, I eat cashews, stay away from peanuts. But anyhow, that's enough about me. This is not about me. It's about your serum albumin levels. So you got to take care of your liver. Now, another way you can damage your liver and get liver disease is drinking alcohol. So alcohol is a terrible thing for your liver. And like I just said, your liver produces something that prevents you from experiencing impotence, prevents you also from losing your hair. So you got to take care of your liver. Drink water, and you got to stay away from alcohol. And hepatitis is a sexually transmitted disease in some cases. You can also get hepatitis, from touching things sometimes, and touching a contaminated surface, and then getting exposed through your mucous membranes or your eyes or your mouth or whatever like that. So you also got to be careful of what you're touching and what you're eating, and protecting yourself when it comes to your sexual health. is very important to that. So take care of your liver, stay away from the alcohol, protect yourself, from germs and contaminated surfaces, and protect yourself sexually also. It's every part of the body, it works together like a computer. If one of the transistors in the computer goes bad, or if one module in the computer goes bad, it's not going to function the way that you want it to. So, or any vehicle or any machine, it's a system, and the system is just a sum of its components. So that's it for now, and that's just talking about the liver.